What is up, everybody? Today we've got an unboxing to do. We have a TotalFlow for my Ram 1500 2017 model. There is your part number. It's a TotalFlow 314633 direct fit for my Ram. And here we go. So we have new clamps, 2 for the back and 1 for the front. Packing material. More packing material. And it looks like it's wrapped pretty nicely. Looks like the hanger's in pretty good shape, although the box is not great. And there's a bolt laying in the bottom. And give it a second. And here it is out of the box. Never cuts down here. Looks like the welds are pretty nice, pretty nice. Okay. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Looks like some really nice welds. Okay. And here's the end view. Nice straight through. That's nice. That's what I want to see. When I get it on, I'll do some sound clips and I'll post them and we'll see what she sounds like. Later.